Chook. What are we going to do? He's got my finger. Come on. There we go. Come on, off you go. Alright, come on. Alright, I think I'm going to have to put the camera down. Alright, I got my finger back. What happened? No, now he's confused. I don't know, I've got my finger back at least. Alright, you. Okay, all good? You can't eat my finger. Alright. That's okay. Alright. That's okay. What are we doing now? We just chilling now? Hey. Alright, you. Come on. Alright, let's say goodbye then. Bye-bye-bye. Or are you gonna go for a walk? Alright, let's go for a walk. Come on. If you're not gonna get off my arm, we're just gonna go for a walk. Come on. You gonna go now? Or are we gonna keep on walking? Let's walk down now. Ooh, guinea fowl. Hey, guinea fowl. Let's walk over to the guinea fowl. Come on. It's guinea fowl. Hey, guinea fowl. How's it going? You can really tell that it's the end of autumn here with all the leaves out. Guinea fowl don't know what to do. Let's walk over. Alright, you gonna go now? Hey. I'm gonna walk back. Alright, well I'm gonna walk back. You do whatever you want to do. Come on, I'm gonna fly off now. Come on. Off you go. Alright, bye.